The Tacopet 2-pack RGBW floor lamp is a modern corner lamp that offers color-changing capabilities, compatibility with popular smart home platforms, and convenient control options. Here are some key features and details about the lamp. 1. Design. The Tacopet floor lamp is designed to fit into corners, making it an ideal choice for living rooms, bedrooms, or any other space where you want to add ambient lighting. Its sleek and contemporary design can complement various decor styles. 2. Color-changing and dimmable. The lamp features RGBW LEDs, allowing you to choose from a wide range of colors to suit your mood or create the desired atmosphere in your room. Additionally, it is dimmable, giving you control over the brightness level. 3. Compatibility. The lamp is compatible with popular smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Home. This means you can control the lamp using voice commands through your smart speaker or smartphone. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to control it remotely via a dedicated app. 4. Control options. The Tacopet floor lamp provides multiple control options for your convenience. You can use the included remote control to change colors, adjust brightness, and turn the lamp on or off. Alternatively, you can use voice commands through Alexa or Google Home devices. Finally, you can control the lamp remotely using the dedicated app on your smartphone or tablet. 5. Smart features. The lamp offers additional smart features such as scheduling and automation. With the app or smart home integration, you can create schedules to automatically turn the lamp on or off at specific times. This can be handy for energy-saving purposes or setting up lighting routines. Overall, the Tacopet 2-pack RGBW floor lamp provides a versatile and customizable lighting solution for your living room or bedroom. With its color-changing capabilities, compatibility with smart home platforms, and multiple control options, you can easily create the desired ambience and lighting effects to suit your preferences.